Friends, today I am going to have a demo for the filling of form online for the renewal of medical establishments. We have to go to the website of up-health.in. This is the website of चिकित्सा स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण विभाग उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार, and on reaching to the website we will see this thing, and we have to go to the first option, that is nursing home का पंजीकरण. This is the login page, and if you are already registered, then you have to enter the registered mobile number and password. If you are not registered, then go for new registration. And if you are already registered but forgot your password, you have to enter the click the forgot password option. Now I am going to log in through my mobile number and password. I have to enter the CAPTCHA. Now log in. I will reach to the citizen dashboard. It caters to the 11 things, and these certificates can be obtained from this site of Department of Medical Health and Family Welfare. We have to go to the registration of medical establishment, and here we are having three things: new registration, renewal of registration, and you have to see the if you want to see the status of your uploaded application, you can view it from here. We are going to renew the registration through this option. Now you have to read this page very carefully. I am telling you about procedure to fill the application form. Before filling this form, you have to have these things beforehand. This is the scanned copy of old certificate, that is old registration certificate. The structural layout of the building, address proof of the establishment, passport size photograph of the person in charge of the hospital, certificate from Medical Council of India or State Medical Council, state self-attested document of relevant qualification for doctor and paramedical staff, NOC certificate from Pollution Control Board, NOC certificate from Disposal of Medical Waste Agency, photo of proof of firefighting system. Here you have to have only the photograph, and you don't need any NOC or any certificate from the fire department. Then you have to have a notarized affidavit of stamp paper, and you can download the what you have to write on the notarized affidavit from this website later on. All these scanned copies should be in JPG or PDF format, and it should be less than each image should be less than 2 MB. If it will be more than 2 MB, it will not accept. Now you have to go to the bottom of this page, and you have to click on this I agree button. Then proceed button will be highlighted. You have to click on the proceed button. Now this page will appear. Have you generated your old registration certificate from this portal? Most of the people have not done it so far. So you have to click on the no button. This will appear, and yes, I am sure you have to click on this. Then this page will appear, and this is the main page. We have to fill it. Here the old registration number should be entered of the uh, CMO registration paper. This is old certificate number, this may be same, and here you have to upload the image of old CMO registration certificate last year's. Now, detail of medical establishment, you have to enter urban or rural, then own or rental building. This is about the building, own or rental. This is type of land of the building. I think most of the people are using building as commercial, then you should click on commercial. If it is residential, you can enter in residential, but this may cause problem later on. Then you have to enter the establishment name, and here you have to enter the category: hospital, nursing home, maternity home. Whatever is written in old certificate, you have to enter it here. And is it operated by individual person, firm, society, trust, public limited, private? Whatever is this, you have to click on that. Now I enter on the individual person. Then you have to enter the name of that individual person who is running the hospital, and you have to upload the structure layout picture here. Now this column is for address of the medical establishment, telephone, mobile number or telephone number, website if there is any, then address, state, district, pin code, and you have to upload the address proof. It can be electricity bill or telephone bill or any other paper. Now, whatever services you are providing, you have to enter in this column. It can be indoor services, ICU, outdoor services, trauma, and whatever it is, specialty. Now, enter the detail of owner in this column. Here, the name, age, father's name, mobile number, email ID, address, and state and district, then pin code, then photograph of the owner and signature of the owner. This all should be less than 2 MB. This is for owner. It can be a non-medico also, like some doctor's wife or brother or father, somebody like that. It can be non-medico. And click it here if the owner and the person in charge are the same. Person in charge should be doctor. You have to enter the detail of person in charge. If it is different, then you have to enter all the details here. You have to enter the photograph and documents of the person in charge here. This column is for the detail of all the doctors who are working in the medical establishment. This is name, father's name, relevant qualification, institution from which they have passed. You have to enter the any one of this, like Medical Council of India, State Medical Faculty, State Medical Council, Dental Council of India, and here the number of the certificate. Here it is full time or part time. Then you have to upload the certificates here. If you want to remove the name or you want to edit it, you have to delete from here this button and add more button to enter the name of more than one person. Similarly, here you will enter the name of the paramedical staff, name, father's name, relevant qualification, institution, and state medical faculty, registration number, part time or full time. Click here to upload the documents. Click here if you want to remove the name or you want to edit it. Add click here to add more names, and you have to enter into these options according to your facilities. Like if you are having inpatient, you should enter it number of bed here. Outpatient, yes. Then all this, any one of this. Laboratory service, yes. Then you have to enter all this or any of this. You have to enter only those columns who are marked with asterisks, red asterisks. You can leave other columns without ticking or without clicking. Imaging, if you want to click on imaging, then you have to give the options whatever it is. And this portion is the most important part. Here you have to enter the NOC pollution of Pollution Control Board. Here certificate number, and here the image should be uploaded. Similarly, Biomedical Waste Disposal Agency, click here, yes, and enter the certificate number and upload the certificate. And then here you have to enter yes and upload the photo and invoice. Like you can read here, please upload proof of firefighting system, that is picture, installation bill, invoice, certificate, or any other proof. Now you have to save it, and this will be saved only when all the columns will be filled. See, some mandatory fields are empty. Click kindly check application form and fill the required data. Thank you. I will continue it in the second video later on.